Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to back up your WordPress website. Here I have this website and I'm trying to do a backup of it. You can download this backup to your computer and you can also upload it to your server at any time. So to get started with a backup, you go to plugin and click add new. Then you search for a plugin called all-in-one migration. You type it here and you see it here, which is this. You go ahead to install it and then you click to activate it. Now I have successfully installed the plugin called all-in-one migration. We have the link here. Then you can go ahead and go to export. So the option we are choosing here is to click export to file. We have various options, but we are not looking at that right now. We are looking at file. So I'll go ahead and click file to have a backup of this same website. So it's in progress. Now the website backup has been fully backed up. You can go ahead and click this close button. So when you go to backup here, then you can see the list of the website you have backup. And under this icon, when you click it, you have the option of restoring your backup, downloading your backup, deleting your backup. So just in case you need a copy of your website on your computer, or maybe you want to save it on your Google Drive, your Dropbox, or any other storage, you can go ahead and click the download here to download a copy of your website backup, and you can save it wherever you please. Other thing you can also do with this plugin is called import. In import, you can import a downloaded file that is made from this plugin, like this. For example, when you click it and upload it, it will be restored to your server with a website that is in it. So, and we also have other options here, but we are not looking at this right now. So, and I hope this video helps. Thank you.